Rotary tools are small, versatile, and pack a punch that can transform your projects in ways you never expected. This unassuming gadget is a game changer for creators, hobbyists, and even professionals. Stick around to discover the surprising uses of rotary tools that will leave you itching to grab one for your next project. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, the focus is on rotary tools, those handheld powerhouses that spin at lightning speed to cut, grind, polish, and more. From crafting intricate jewelry to tackling home repairs, rotary tools are the unsung heroes of workshops everywhere. This video dives into their origins, evolution, cultural impact, and some jaw-dropping uses that might just blow your mind. Let's spin into it. Rotary tools trace their roots back to the early 20th century. In 1932, Albert J. Dremel, an Austrian immigrant, founded the Dremel Company in Wisconsin. His vision was to create a lightweight, high-speed tool that could handle precision tasks. The first Dremel Moto tool, introduced in 1935, was a revelation. It was compact, electric, and spun at speeds up to 30,000 RPM. This tool wasn't just for professionals. It was designed for anyone with a spark of creativity. Early adopters used it for everything from woodworking to engraving, setting the stage for its widespread popularity. Over the decades, rotary tools have evolved dramatically. Modern versions, like those from Dremel, Black & Decker, and other brands, boast variable speeds, cordless designs, and a dizzying array of attachments. Today's tools can reach speeds of 35,000 RPM or more, with accessories for cutting, sanding, drilling, and even cleaning. Innovations like lithium-ion batteries have made them portable, while ergonomic designs reduce fatigue during long projects. Some models even integrate LED lights for better visibility. The introduction of flexible shafts and micro-attachments has turned rotary tools into precision instruments, perfect for delicate tasks like etching glass or shaping miniatures. Rotary tools have carved out a unique place in DIY culture. They're a staple in maker spaces where hobbyists use them to bring wild ideas to life. From cosplay, costume design, to custom guitar building, these tools empower creators to push boundaries. They've also found a home in professional fields. Dentists use specialized rotary tools for shaping teeth, while jewelers rely on them for intricate metalwork. In developing countries, rotary tools are often used in small-scale manufacturing, proving their versatility across cultures. Online communities like Reddit's are DIY or YouTube tutorials buzz with projects showcasing rotary tools, cementing their status as a must-have for modern creators. Rotary tools are full of surprises. Did you know they can be used to groom pet nails? With a sanding attachment, they're a gentle alternative to clippers for dogs and cats. In the kitchen, rotary tools can carve pumpkins with surgical precision, creating intricate designs for Halloween. Artists use them to etch detailed patterns into eggshells, turning fragile shells into stunning sculptures. For tech enthusiasts, rotary tools are a go-to for modding electronics, like cutting custom PC case panels. They've even been used in archaeology to delicately clean fossils without damaging them. And here is a wild one. Some barbers use rotary tools with custom bits to create hair tattoos, proving there's no limit to their creative potential. Rotary tools are proof that big things come in small packages. Their ability to cut, grind, polish, and carve makes them indispensable for creators across the globe. From their humble beginnings in a Wisconsin workshop to their role in modern DIY culture, these tools have spun their way into the hearts of millions. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a curious beginner, a rotary tool can unlock a world of possibilities. If this video sparked some inspiration, grab a rotary tool and start experimenting. Share your projects in the comments below. We'd love to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Objectified. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the surprising uses of rotary tools. Stay curious, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep spinning those ideas into reality.